Hello friends, I am Bhawna Gulati. I am a 2011 batch IRS IT officer who is currently posted at Ranchi. Before qualifying the UPSC examinations, I had also appeared in state civil services examinations, which I cracked in my very first attempt, securing an overall second position. Friends, for my UPSC preparation as well as for my state civil services preparation, I had joined Rao IAS Coaching Institute in Lucknow. This institute, with its very capable mentors, Anshuman sir and Ved sir, provide you the right kind of guidance, the best milieu, a very healthy environment for your minds to flourish, with the right kind of knowledge, information, content and study material, which is very necessary for cracking this examination, be it UPSC or state civil services. Friends, needless to say that this institute is one of the best in providing guidance in history optional, which is clearly evident in my marks which are secured in the state civil services as well as the UPSC exams in my history optional. So this is one of the best institutes for that and for the other subjects as well. Friends, I have derived the best out of this coaching institution under its capable guidance, and I wish you all the same. Thank you so much.